the opposition and allegedly retired bureaucrats and alleged people of the civil society, etc., seem to be making a hue and cry about Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji attending a Ganapati Puja for Ganesh Chaturthi at the home of Chief Justice, His Lordship Chandrachud ji. And they have absolutely no shame about the hypocrisy of it all. Because n number of iftar parties, n number of formal get-togethers or formal get-togethers for religious occasions are hosted by the Prime Minister, by the Chief Minister, etc., everywhere. And in fact, there have been several photographs of Manmohan Singh hosting an iftar party during his tenure. So, all of that aside, the opposition and the so-called naysayers have failed to point out where and how is it a judicial impropriety, and where and how and which clause, law, rule has it violated, at least as far as judicial impropriety is concerned. I mean, do you think that people live in ivory towers? Do you think that people do not even exchange pleasantries? And how dare you bring a person's personal faith into this entire business and conundrum that you have, this ridiculous lie that you have created for your own satisfaction to question somebody's judicial propriety. How dare you? Because yes, we are a secular country, but why is there no hue and cry about having formal iftar parties? And why is there a hue and cry and questions of judicial impropriety when a Ganesh Puja is being done and somebody else believing in the same faith, and yes, he might be the Prime Minister of the country, has come and has paid his respects? Shame on you. Absolutely, because if you believe that institutions work in ivory towers, if you believe that institutions allegedly working in ivory towers cannot see eye to eye and cannot even breathe the same air or be in the same room, then you are sadly mistaken. And what is sad is your mindset. And what is sad is the fact that you have absolutely no business talking about it, and the fact that you have nothing important to contribute to the society or to any kind of public discourse that is useful, other than bring up false allegations of judicial impropriety.